What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about a smartphone that costs less than £200 but packs a lot of punch, a lot of specs for the buck. Now this is the Realme 3 Pro. This smartphone is surprisingly really good and only costs £175 for the base model. Let's get on with it and see what it's all about. The Realme 3 Pro actually looks really nice in hand to hold, and it's got all the basic features that you need for a smartphone to be called a smartphone. So the design is actually inspired by Le Mans racetrack. So if you look on the back, it's got, when the light shimmers on it, it's got this like S-curve kind of looking racetrack design on the back. But that aside, on the back you got fingerprint sensor, you got your camera setup, a dual camera setup with flash as well. You got every other things around it, like two buttons on the side for the volume rocker. On the right side you got the power button, and on the front you got front-facing camera. But what's really powering the Realme 3 Pro is the latest Snapdragon 710 processor, which is really fast. It's intelligent as well. And under here, you've also got a 4045 mAh battery, which means it will last you all day long. In terms of camera, it's capable of doing 960 frames per second super slow-mo videos, which is probably rare for a smartphone that costs £175 for the base model. I keep talking about the base model. The one up, which is a 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, costs £219, which again is a bargain. The base model is a 4GB RAM setup with 64GB internal storage. You also get VOOC 3.0 flash charge in there, so you'll be able to charge your phone back to 100% in no time at all. For the main camera, you got 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel rear cameras, and it's a Sony IMX519 hardware. For the front-facing camera, you got 25 megapixel selfie camera, which means you'll be able to get some detailed shots with AI in there as well. So again, when you get your selfie, you'll be able to get really nice shots. Again, for festival goers this season, if you get this out for your festival, you'll be able to get some real amazing selfies to share on social media. For color, it's available in nitro blue and lightning purple. As you can see, both color options here. I prefer the nitro blue option. It's brighter and actually shows off the design of what this is all about. For you gamers out there, you got Adreno 616 GPU in there, which means you should be able to download all the typical games like Asphalt and game comfortably with no issues at all. More for the gamers out there, the Realme 3 Pro comes with Touch Boost, and what this is an all-round in-depth optimization for touch control in games that helps to shorten system reaction time. So again, less lag, it's faster, it's smoother. You also got Frame Boost, which helps optimize graphics on the Realme 3 Pro. You can detect heavy loaded scenarios and boost the processor at a high frequency to keep the frame rate at a high and stable level. Again, allowing smooth graphics, less lag when playing games. Just like other flagship phones out there right now, you get nightscape mode, which means you can shoot in very low light conditions handheld and still get really good quality photos. For software, is running ColorOS 6.0, which is based on Android 9.0. Again, so you get the latest operating system on there, so you're not missing out. So guys, that's it for the Realme 3 Pro. Guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Me personally, I think this will be the perfect phone for those who are looking to get a smartphone that doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And you can even take it to the festival. It's festival season right now. And for £175 for the base model, I think this is an actual real steal for the money. It's a bargain. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.